Hey guys.
Hi there. How you doing?
How you doing?
Yes. So some of you don't know that we are in US right now.
Yeah, so
We're in US. We've been talking about it on Instagram for over a week. We're in US right now, and we're going to be in US all through the month of June. And even though we're in Greensboro at the moment to visit my wife's sister, we're going to go on tour from in 2 weeks time,
yeah. There.
and we're going to be visiting some of the cities that you're in.
Dallas, Maryland. I think Dallas and Maryland, we're sure we're going to have a meet and greet there.
We'll have a meet and greet in
So
Dallas.
people in Washington are going to converge to Maryland. Everyone in Texas will try to make it to the one in Dallas and things like that. So
Yes.
yeah.
So if you've not heard about this, you're hearing about it for the first time. We are having a meet and greet in US in a few cities. We're going to be in Dallas, New Jersey, New York. We're just going on tour. We're just enjoying US. But we know that some of you are there and you would not like to know that we were in your city and you couldn't meet us. So
Yeah.
make sure you fill the form. We're going to attach the form to this video as well. Look for the form, fill the form.
Yeah, fill the form.
bit.ly/meet and greet USA. But I'm going to drop the link under the video. Fill the
As
form,
well.
register your interest for your meet and greet, put your city down. We're going to add you to the necessary WhatsApp groups for your city, and you plan together, and then we'll meet with you. It's going to be a wonderful time.
Yeah,
We're gonna
it's
have
gonna be awesome.
Wonderful time to take pictures, snap together, and of course pray together and share
Share
the
the
word.
word together.
I think it's going to bless you. We're going to be blessed by
And
meeting
there are
you.
also going to be Q&As as well. Q&A
Yes, we'll be able
session.
to answer your questions. So we want to see you. We are excited to meet you. You know, it's been a wonderful journey in US so far. Right now, you can see we are dressed up. We're going for a party. So catch up the updates from YouTube. We're going to be vlogging a few things, of course.
Yeah.
And that is it. We just wanted to come on YouTube to let you know that we're in US too. This trip behind me is in US. We are actually right now
Standing
in US,
US.
of A.
Okay.
You know, so we're gonna be in your city, and if we're in your city, let's meet. It will be a wonderful
Amazing.
time.
And tell your friends that know us and might not know or see the information out there.
Yes,
Make sure
tell
you tell
them.
share their WhatsApp statuses and stuff like that. I think there is a flyer already on our community post as
Yes,
well. So,
we have a flyer,
yeah.
and of course, share the link, share the WhatsApp, because a lot of people might not know that we are coming. So the more the merrier. If you are much in your city, we will show up. We told you
Yeah.
already. We didn't plan to go to Maryland,
Yeah.
but people registering from Maryland, they were
The
increasing in
energy
number,
was just
and I've
giving.
already booked the flight. We already
Yeah.
have our flight to Maryland. So if your energy is giving, we might just show up. So try your best and fill the form. We're gonna see you. It's gonna be a great time.
Yeah.
All right. So just
All right,
wanted
guys.
to just pop in here and we love you. Take care.
Take care.